Hey YouTubers, so in this video I'm going to use the Reolink Argus Pro to not only get some footage of the squirrels that keep getting in the bird feeder, but also to communicate with them. And one nice feature of this camera is the fact that it will allow you to use voice communication from a cell phone or iPad device out to the location of the camera. So you could talk to a burglar, you could talk to a family member, or you could talk to wildlife. In this case, we're gonna scare the wildlife off using the microphone. This thing will also set up properly, will send you alerts via email. So with the motion sensor that's in the camera, you will be able to see what's going on, though of course if you put it on a bird feeder you're going to get alerts for birds, squirrels and bears and whatever else gets into it, maybe even raccoons. Alright, so let's talk about the video itself. Three sources of video for this. The very beginning footage is from a Panasonic FZ80 4K camera. That's not actually from the device. So the footage that's from the Reolink Argus Pro is going to say Reolink in the bottom right corner, just so you know. The footage is pretty good. You will notice two sources though from the Reolink. One is a micro SD card that was put in to the security camera itself. That provides the higher quality picture, and then also some footage recorded from a cell phone, so you can kind of see the difference between those. Alright, so let's check the video out. Please like, please subscribe. I'll probably have some extended clips at the end so you can see some of the other wildlife that flew into the bird feeder. Thank you.
Get out of that bird feeder, squirrel!
Get out of there! Get out of there! Good boy.
And that's how you do it, folks. And that's how you do it, folks. Get out of that bird feeder, squirrel!
Get out of there! Get out of there! Good boy.
And that's how you do it, folks. And that's how you do it, folks.